Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about control board for Manitowoc part #2,006,199. The control board for Manitowoc part #2,006,199 is a replacement part for Manitowoc ice machines. It is a printed circuit board that controls the operation of the ice machine. The board contains several components, including a microprocessor, memory chips, and other electronic components. The board also contains several switches and connectors that allow it to be connected to other components in the ice machine. The control board monitors the operation of the ice machine and sends signals to other components when necessary. It also receives signals from off. This part fixes the following symptoms. This control board is designed to replace the existing control board in Manitowoc ice machines. It is used to fix issues such as erratic operation, power failure, and incorrect temperature readings. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the power to the Manitowoc unit. 2. Remove the old control board by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Install the new control board in its place and secure it with the screws. 4. Connect all of the wires to their respective terminals on the control board, making sure to match up each wire with its corresponding terminal. 5. Turn on the power to the Manitowoc unit and test it out to make sure everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.